Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by granting the necessary permissions so the floating window can run reliably. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Special App Access and tap Floating Windows. Enable the app you want. Once done, make sure Auto Start or Background Activity is allowed for that app so Android won't kill it. You're doing this to let the system create a persistent overlay. Without these steps, the float may not appear or may close unexpectedly when you switch apps. Now, open the app itself and look for the floating window option. Many apps show a three-dot menu or a dedicated overlay icon. Tap the floating window command or choose Open in Floating Window from the app menu. The system will create a small resizable overlay window. You can drag it to reposition and pinch to resize. This controls how much screen the float uses. Make sure to test with another app to confirm the float stays above other content when multitasking. Finish by customizing behavior. Use the recent apps or notification controls to pin or keep the floating window active, and tweak display size or notch settings if the window is clipped. If the float won't appear, restart the app, toggle the floating permission off and back on, then reopen the app. This refreshes system overlays. If problems persist, reboot the phone to clear the window manager. One quick troubleshooting tip: confirm battery saver is off for that app. Otherwise, the system may.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.